in this step, we're going to create a moving obstacle, something that will patrol back and forth. So let's go to our media sidebar and find something that would work. Maybe we could have a wall of flame. Maybe we could have a little stoat. I might do the wall of flame. Now, where am I going to put that? Let's find a nice spot to put it. I might put it here. Put your patrolling obstacle down, and then let's add a script to it. Now, just before we go and do that, make sure wherever you put it, there is actually room for it to move around. You'll see if there isn't. So let's add a script to that. Now, what do we want it to do? Well, we want it to move back and forth. First, we need to start it off moving. So let's say when it's created from events, when created, we will start it moving, and that is from physics. We want to give it some velocity from physics. Under motion, set velocity x. Remember, x is horizontal. Velocity, how fast do we want it to go? Let's try 200. You could try faster or slower than that if you wanted. What else do we need to do? Well, we need to tag this thing as an obstacle. We do want it to be like a deadly object. So if we go to sensing and grab add tag, tag name on myself, do that when it's created, and the tag obstacle worked for our spikes, so the player will detect that and it'll treat it like a big spike as well. One final thing, let's get this moving obstacle to remember where it started. So we'll save its starting X position. We'll create a new variable for that. So we'll go to variables, click create variable, and let's call this starting X position. And is it going to be true, false? No, it's going to be a number. Click OK. Set starting X position to, grab that block, and we'll get it to set this number to wherever it currently is on the X axis. So we'll go to transform and grab X position of myself. So it will remember its X position. And that'll be important for our next step, where we get it to check its position and turn around. But let's just see what this does for now. If we click play, I will call this moving obstacle. And I'll see if I can go find that object. And, well, it's not there anymore. Where could it be? Well, it has moved away. So I'll just go and put my player. I'll temporarily move my player just so we can see what's going on. And there it is going off. We want it to come back though, so we'll do that in the next step.